My fellow e-bikers, Chuck, Freshman Fresh, and Felicia, we're here in Alabama and there's like 0 sidewalks. And they laugh at bike lanes. There's none here. So it's kind of difficult to get your bike somewhere where you can actually ride it around here. I mean, you could try to take your life in your own hands and share these little 2-bit local 2-lane highways with some pickup driving, beer drinking crazy person, but who wants to do that? We could just throw them in the back of the pickup truck, but electric bikes are super heavy. We could get one of those cargo carriers that connect to the hitch, but then we have to worry about them wobbling or even falling off during our journey. But then our friends at OutfitR asked us, hey, do you want to take a look at their brand new OutfitR 2-bike Hitch E-Bike Rack with a ramp? And we're like, yes, please. So let's take a look at some of the features about this groundbreaking, innovative new bike rack. Now look, this just isn't any bike rack. It's a game changer for anyone looking to transport your e-bike safely, securely, and with the ultimate convenience, really. So let's dig into what makes the OutfitR rack an absolute must-have for your next outdoor escapade. Now, your e-bikes, they're an investment. These things are expensive. And the OutfitR 2-bike Hitch E-Bike Rack is engineered for peace of mind, especially when you're heading off the beaten path. Bumpy roads we're talking, you know what I'm talking about. It features a robust 2-arm fix and an anti-wobble design, so your e-bikes are locked firmly in place without any swaying or banging against your vehicle, creating damage, no matter how bumpy the road gets. We tried it. Now, e-bikes are heavy, but that's no problem for the OutfitR. Traditional e-bike racks, yeah, they're gonna sag and they might not make it. I've seen bikes fall off of these things and actually bend and scrape the ground. Not this rack. It boasts an impressive 200-pound total capacity, easily transporting up to 100 pounds of bike. And most of these things are 70, 80 pounds, so you're in good shape there. So whether you're rocking a big fat tire e-bike or a rugged mountain bike, these universal tire holders are compatible with tires up to 5 inches fat. I haven't seen anything bigger than 4, so 5 is perfect, and it'll do smaller ones too. And when you're not using it, the OutfitR rack easily folds up with one hand. Even Felicia can do it. And this makes storage a breeze, and it's great for parking in your garage without the rack taking up unnecessary space. A lot of people just don't have that extra clearance. We don't. The OutfitR 2-bike Hitch E-Bike Rack is designed exclusively for vehicles with 2-inch hitch receivers. That's nearly every American truck and car on the road. So this ensures a super sturdy fit that won't wobble easily. And here's some great news for those who dread complex assemblies. Most of these parts come pre-assembled, making installation a snap. You'll be hitting the road in no time. I hate crazy installations, but this was so easy, so flawless. A couple of bolts and I was golden. And the best part, Felicia can use the OutfitR rack herself. Now she doesn't even need me to take her e-bike to her favorite trails. I'm not really sure that's a good thing. The OutfitR 2-bike Hitch E-Bike Rack with a ramp takes us places we haven't been able to go on these tiny country 2-bit highways with, again, one too many pickup trucks. So now we can actually ride our e-bikes and not just store them in a shed. Check it out for yourself, the OutfitR 2-bike Hitch E-Bike Rack, complete with a ramp. There's a link and everything you need in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.